Hey everyone, today I'm going to be going over the process of how to link a chatbot to your Discord server. And for the purposes of this video, I'm going to be using the Botisimo chatbot, but if you want to do it with any other bot, the process is going to be very similar. So the first step, of course, is going to be to go ahead and create our new account. And to start, you'll go ahead and enter all of your account details and then hit the continue button. Then the Botisimo site is going to ask me which platforms I'd like to connect, and for today's video, we're going to be selecting Discord. And after I've selected that, I will once again hit the continue button. Then I'll just go ahead and make sure that all the information listed on this page is 100% correct and click the confirm button. And just like that, my brand new Botisimo account is all set up and ready to go, and we can begin the process of connecting with Discord. So obviously, I'm going to go ahead and click the button in the center of my screen that says connect with Discord to get started with this process. And this will redirect me to a Discord page where I need to authorize Botisimo's access to my account and also select a server that I want the bot to be added to. So towards the bottom of this box here, you're just going to click this drop down to select the server you want to add it to. For me, I only have one server available here, but you may have multiple, so just make sure you select the one that you actually want to add it to. Which will then send you to the next page where you're going to probably see this massive list of permissions that the Botisimo bot is requesting access to. And while this may seem like a lot and be a bit overwhelming, just know that these are just all the permissions it needs in order to perform all the various functions that you're going to want it to. So once you're comfortable with that, you're going to go ahead and just click the authorize button, confirm that you are a human, and that should give Botisimo all the access it needs to your Discord account. So now when I pull up the Discord server that I just added Botisimo to, I should be able to see it in the online category over here on the right side. And just like that, everything should now be set up and ready to go. For example, if I go ahead and type the !8ball command in this channel, you'll be able to see that Botisimo sends the correct response in that very same channel. And that should be all the information that you need to get started. Hopefully this process was relatively straightforward and easy for you to follow, but as always, if you have any questions about it, feel free to leave those down in the comments section below.